Target destroyed.
Come in. Laswell.
General Shepard.
Oh, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would. Talk to me.
We have a hit on Ghabrani's second in command.
Hassan Zayani, Quds Force Major.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Money, weapons, intel.
Well, he's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He wants retaliation for the Ghabrani strike. He's planning something.
Well, we can't take him in Iran.
He's not in Iran, sir. He's on the ground in Mazrah.
What the hell is he doing in Mazrah?
There is only one way to find out, sir.
Well, let's get him.
When?
What time is it now?
Who do we send?
Wheels up in 5.
Roger.
Marines are loading in now. You and the sergeant are leading the way on this.
Sergeant.
Yourself and Tavish.
Let's get ourselves a win, yeah, team. Take a seat, sir.
Fucking hell. Ghost, you copy?
Yes, sir.
Any issues?
Negative, sir. Out here.
Airstrikes are hitting enemy positions bordering Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something. Surveillance indicates soldiers guarding 3 structures. Major Hassan may be holed up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. 1 Helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters have execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation. Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, Soap.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Move to secondary HLZ. All stations, Racer 1 is bracketed. We're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
Shit.
Hold up.
Second missile! Oh, fuck!
Razor 1 going down! We're going down!
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear first site. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move. Force up to the house. Swing through!
First deck clear. Negative on Hassan. Copy that. Second deck's clear.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
No we're here. Moving forward! Roger! Down one! Frag out!
All Bravo, move on building 2. All stations, crash site is taking rocket fire from building 2. Second deck. Alpha, taking building 2 now. Hold fast.
7-1, moving interior.
Prep for breach.
So, stay with us. McTavish, we need you with us.
Soap, tie it up.
Pushing up the second deck. 7-1, moving to second
نعم
deck.
الصواريخ. أنا لا أحمي الباب.
Out there.
أخي اقتل كل واحد بيمر من هون.
There's one in that hallway. Ghost, enemy rockets down. Ghost, building 2 secure.
Roger, time to hit the crash site.
Got a video for San in here.
Hassan's their hero.
They're gonna need a new hero.
Assassinating General Kubrani.
You good, mate?
Yeah, please stop it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
All Bravo, circle up outside.
Ghost, Soap. AQ's got some real kit.
Soap, we're moving to the crash site to help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj.
Alpha 02, Bravo 07, building 2 secure. We're coming to you.
Alpha copies all.
Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue! Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
Got movement.
Give you a shot. Take it.
Gage! Shooters at the wall!
You called it, LT.
RPG! Fuck, man. Fuck! Get your gun up. They're getting close. Secure the ramp.
Come on.
Guard the ramp.
We clear.
For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there!
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line. Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out.
Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line!
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit.
Incoming! Take cover!
They're launching grenades! Two-three's hit! Man down!
He's dead. Keep your gun in the fire.
Only a few left. Finish him. Moving.
No movement.
You good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We clear this position and push. If Hassan's still here, he's out ahead. 7-6, patch us through to air support.
Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage.
Get ready.
Calm down.
Hassan turned AQ into a fucking army.
All Bravo. Kilo 01 is inbound hot. Danger close.
Air support's on station.
Engaging secondary.
Kilo 01, good hit! Good hit!
We clear? Fucking hope so.
All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist.
Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern.
7-6, task a bird for casualty evac.
Raj,
Get yourself sorted. Hassan is still the target.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us.
Roger that, Lieutenant.
let's move out. Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think Hassan's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening.
Let's see if they took it.
Boys are still on station.
Keep them on standby. We're moving in.
Raj, visual on building 3. That's our target. Hassan could be inside. Fuck! Man down! AQ sniper on the roof! Get down! Soap, take out the shooter. Rest of you stay low until we're all clear. Who's here? 7-5 is down.
Sniper down. How the fuck are they seeing us? AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here.
So, take
hit the dirt. Snipers all use soap.
Got another.
Good shot. Soap, keep us covered. We're moving up.
AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is?
We're not getting through here without air support. 7-6, I want fire on that building now.
Ghost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hands. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it.
0-1, call for fire. Target is in the building ahead of us. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
What's up to that wall? Move!
Yeah, get some.
That's a glorious sight.
For air support.
Yeah, hope the sign's still in one piece.
So, this is what we do. Easier to find that way.
All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down. Lead us in, Sergeant. Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
Seven 1, moving interior.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Kill confirmed.
Anyone have eyes on Hassan?
Negative on Hassan.
Negative. No eyes on the HVT.
Negative. No visual on Hassan.
Hostile down.
Heading into the first deck. First deck.
Heading up to the second deck. Pushing to second deck.
Together, we will avenge the death of General Kobani. Safonanto can be quiet. If the world courts do not punish these take them out of our hands. At the time and place, our choosing. Got 2 X-rays. No Hassan.
Heads up, lads. Sneaky little gets are everywhere. Smoked one.
He was here. This is a bloody op center. Poke around, Soap. Look about. See.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way. All Bravo, circle up outside.
If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting?
Let's find out. clear?
All clear.
Search it. Let's find what they were hiding.
This warehouse wasn't on the intel.
What the fuck is this?
It's all in English.
Steaming Jesus.
Ballistic missiles.
It's a mobile launcher.
This will go 1,000 miles.
Yeah, at least.
How the hell did Iran get their hands on this?
7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.
All right, clear the room. Let's go. Everybody out, now. Iran is in possession of American missiles.
American missiles in AQ's hands.
Hassan has been passing out our ballistic missiles like it's fucking Halloween, and we didn't know about it?
Gives Iran plausible deniability.
Oh, deniability my ass. Iran's all over this. I want to know how many they have and where they intend to use them.
If Hassan is moving missiles, he has a smuggling partner.
Well, then I would advise you to find out who that is.
Give my team 2 hours with those missiles, sir. I will know everybody who's ever breathed on them.
Negative. I want them destroyed.
General, there's valuable intel there.
This is an intelligence failure, Laswell. It's not going to be a tactical one. There will be 500 enemy soldiers on that site by sunrise. We need a win fast. Gold Eagle actual to Ghost. Move your team and call for fire. I want those weapons destroyed.
Roger that, actual.
Amsterdam.
What the hell's Amsterdam got to do with this?
It's a smuggling hub. Ports and canals are insecure. Iran has friends there. We do too.
Who?
The captain. He's tracking an AQ cell in country as we speak.
Well, that's the first good news I've heard all day.
I'll link up with him and handle this myself, sir.
Kate Laswell back in the field.
I want this.
What's your ETA?
Less than an hour. Where are you now?
Canals. Under a bridge, watching an AQ boat.
Is it carrying a missile container?
Negative. Not this one.
Well, let's hope it leads to the one that does.
I'll be in touch. Guys. You set?
Good day, Cap.
Let's get after it. Right, that's where we're in position.
Copy, John. What do you got?
Our AQ loading cargo into a barge.
That's your target. Get aboard and find out who they're working with.
Rog. The sentries on the perimeter.
Yeah, AQ guards all over the docks.
You'll need to take them out to get to the barge. You two get to work. Out.
All right, let's split up. I'll say the outside. You clean up the docks. Stay quiet. I'll meet you at the barge.
Check. On you, Cap.
not get compromised.
Copy. I see it.
Guys, you alright?
Never better, boss.
انه في حدث ما في شيء.
كل شيء تمام.
One down.
Keep it up.
Captain, I got a gun.
Go easy with him. Watch out, they see you.
Topside.
Don't stay up there for long.
Watch your 1 to Bravo. Give me a sit rep.
Working our way to the barge. Buried Alcantara at sea.
Get in there and see
Left one alive. Go
we
back
may not
for
have
it.
much time, John.
Clear all the dogs. Scrub this place clean.
ما في شيء هون مو معقول شو صار وين هو الخرب عمل شو هذا ما في شيء لسه دور بهذا الاتجاه تمام كل شيء تمام هون
Dropped one.
Good on you guys.
Look you down.
Stay on it.
معك منيح. احكي. ما في شو هون. تمام. لقيت شيء؟ ما في شيء لهلا. فقد المكان. طيب.
Guys, I'm near the barge. Get here when you can, but don't get careless.
Check. Almost there.
ورجيني حالك يا عرس.
One down.
Good on you guys.
شو لقيت؟ ولا شي يا اخي. دور هنيك. فهمت؟
Clear.
Let's get onto that barge. Right with you, Sergeant. Gates locked. On me. Laswell, we're about to board.
Copy. Tell me what you find.
Roger. Out. Listen. Spanish.
Sounds
Estaban
like
al muelle.
You said?
Solo trabajo.
good to go.
Escucha. Look at this. That's Hamas. Mexican cartel.
What the hell are they doing here?
Laswell, around using the cartel for transport.
Give me a name, John.
That's Hamas.
Hassan's working with narcos.
Stand by. Barge is all narcos.
More cartel. All clear. It's his phone.
Get it.
Cartel's meeting with AQ.
Laswell, find Cafe Gracht. Something's about to go down.
When?
1 hour. Bravo 6 to what you want. Position at the cafe. 2 to 10 to my 3 o'clock. 1 cartel, 1 Iranian.
How cozy. What are they up to?
Conducting a transaction.
Electronically.
Affirm.
They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards and we roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sitrep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards under the bridge. Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up.
call? One's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Oh, easy, mate. What, too many, huh? Guard's down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What do you want? The cargo is human. One VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
What's the call? There's guards all over him.
We haven't scouted the area. There could be more guards.
There's no time to case the area, John. We need a distraction.
I've got something. Meet at the cafe, guys.
Take it. The bloody hell is this? Decoy grenade. It'll work. Get back to Mazrah. Let's kick this off.
Down the alley. When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves in.
That's where I come in.
On you guys.
Go loud and clear.
Guys, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Roger. Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure Exville.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in.
Shut your mouth. Follow me.
Guys, cover.
Roger.
What you want? Package secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Rocco behind us. Cover, Sergeant. What you want? We take your fire. 3 hostiles to ourselves.
Copy. I'm inbound. Be advised, police are on the way. 3 minutes out.
Drop them fast. We have to move. Clear. Guys, bring the syringe. Jab him. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat. How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive.